Hello everyone, welcome to Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all. But before going ahead, we would like to remind you to do subscribe to our YouTube channel and also do not forget to click on the bell icon in order to receive all our updates regularly and instantly. So dear students, we are pleased to inform you that we, Profound EduTech, are arranging a mega campus drive by one of our MNC clients, Aurus Technologies, for 2020 and 2019 batch freshers for software developer role, and we are here to give you all the information about the same. So this is a brief introduction about Aurus Technologies. It was established in the year 2000 with the vision to provide cutting-edge innovative technology solutions using economic development models. They are a leading company when it comes to electronic payments. They are headquartered in Innovation Corridor of Boston, Cambridge, and their development center is in Pune, India. So you may find more information about them on their website, which is www.aurusinc.com. So as mentioned, we are arranging Mega Campus by Aurus for freshers, and currently they have requirements for two profiles. First is full stack Java developer, which requires the excellent knowledge of core Java, advanced Java, Spring, other frameworks plus Angular. So the knowledge of both backend and front end is expected for this particular profile. And the second profile is of database analyst plus Java developer, which requires a good knowledge of RDBMS, SQL, plus the Java technologies like core Java, advanced Java, and frameworks. Yes, so you must be coming across many requirements which demand knowledge of both back-end and front-end technologies. So no wonder that as far as fresher requirements are concerned in the IT and software industry, full stack Java development is the most trending and in most demand. So we offer a similar full stack Java developer course at Profound EduTech, which covers your fundamentals, back-end, front-end, testing, Python, etc. So if you are willing to get upgraded in your technical skills, do considering enrolling at Profound EduTech for full stack Java developer course, because we offer quality trainings and 100% guaranteed placement support. So this is the eligibility criteria for Aurus Campus Drive. As far as qualifications are concerned, BE, BTech, MCA, MCS, BCA, BCS with computer science and IT specializations are eligible to apply for this campus drive. The candidates are expected to be from 2020 and 2019 batch passouts with 55% marks throughout. This particular opening or requirement is only for male candidates. So unfortunately, female candidates are not eligible, and the candidates or students, those who have done full stack Java developer course or DBA course and have certificates of those courses shall be preferred and given priority. These are other skills and expectations. The candidates, they are expected to have very good analytical and logical thinking. They should also have a very good knowledge of RDBMS and SQL. They should have all the database concepts clear. Knowledge of scripting languages like JavaScript, HTML5, CSS3 is a lot preferred. Obviously, excellent communication skills goes without saying. And if selected, the candidates should be available to join immediately, and the working will be from office location itself at Pune from day one. So please make a note that if you are selected, you need to join at their office location in Pune from day one, and there is no option of the work from home. So these are other details. Salary offered is 2.75 lakhs per annum. Job location as mentioned is Pune. Campus date is in December 2020. The exact schedule will be informed to the registered and shortlisted candidates. And as far as campus process is concerned, it is going to be a virtual process, and the interviews will be video interviews, online interviews. So to apply for this campus drive, please visit this URL bit.ly slash profoundaurus bit.ly slash profoundaurus. Please make a note that this URL is case sensitive, so ensure that you enter the correct URL in the address bar and fill up the registration form there in order to apply for this campus drive. So we hope that you have been finding all our updates very important, very useful for you. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly a top IT training company, and along with quality trainings, we are well known for strong placement support which we provide to our enrolled trained students. So if you are looking to get upgraded in your technical skills and to explore more placement opportunities, please enroll today for full stack Java .NET developer course at Profound EduTech. We also have advanced diploma courses in testing, Python, data science, machine learning, etc. at Profound EduTech. And along with quality trainings, we provide 100% guaranteed placement support. We launch new batches both online and offline mode every week, almost every week. So to get more details about our courses, please call 89830 or 52. This is the snapshot of the full stack Java developer course that we offer. We have discussed this in our previous slide. So it covers right from your programming fundamentals, backend we have complete Java track, core Java, advanced Java frameworks. Then we have front end UI development along with web design. We have Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB, Python, and software testing along with aptitude and soft skills with a live project. This is a similar advanced diploma course in software testing, which covers both manual testing as well as automation testing part. These are highlights of our courses. All our trainings, whether online or offline, they are live trainings, meaning that the trainers, the expert are in front of you. Yes, so they are not pre-recorded trainings, they are live trainings and the trainers are in front of you. And since these are live trainings, a lot of interaction becomes possible between the students and the trainers, which helps the students to clear all their queries, questions, doubts immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages in the same course so that you become skilled and trained on multiple technologies. We give a lot of importance to your practical knowledge and we follow a complete hands-on approach with daily assignments. Whatever you learn, you implement it on real-world projects. And most importantly, all our students, the Profound trained enrolled students, they get daily exclusive campus drives which are only for trained students of Profound and who have done courses of full stack, Java, .NET, testing, Python, etc. So thank you for watching this video. Do remain in touch with us on all our social platforms. You may find us on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 51,000 plus likes to it. Do like our Facebook page in order to get all our updates regularly. Also do subscribe to our YouTube channel on the given link bit.ly/profoundjob. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. So thank you once again and hope to see you soon with one more informative video.